Hello everybody, welcome. My name is Abid. Today we'll discuss on the topic of the First World War. Before we discuss this topic illustratively, I should remind you the previous last discussion about the topic of nationalism and imperialism. For your kind information, I want to explain the exact meaning of the and nationalism and imperialism. What were the main conflict, or you can say what were the main reason for the conflict of the First World War. So guys, here the previous last discussion I have clearly and properly discussion about the topic of the nationalism and imperialism. So the exact meaning of the imperialism, guys, is a system in which one country extend in power and influence by defeating other countries in wars, forming colonies, etc. And nationalism means very strong feelings of support for and pride in your own country, belief in independence for a particular country. So guys, I have discussed illustratively and remind you about the topic of nationalism and imperialism. That's why, because imperialism or you can say imperialistics were the main cause, or you can say the main conflict of the First World War. That's why, because during this discussion, when we have discussed about the topic of nationalism and imperialism, so there we found the most serious source of nationalist tension in Europe after 1871 was the area called the Balkans. So guys, the main cause, or you can say the main conflict of the First World War were the conflict of the Balkans, or you can say the area, or you can say the region of the Balkans. That's why, because the Balkans was a region of geographical and ethnic variation comprising modern day Romania, in which we found the countries like Bulgaria, Albania, Greece, Macedonia, Croatia, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Slovenia, Siberia, and Montenegro, etc. So guys, the main cause of the conflict of the First World War was Balkans. That's why, because Balkans were under the control of the Ottoman Empire, and when this country, it means when Balkans had been free from the control of the Ottoman Empire, and when it has been freed, when it has been freed, it means when it has been freed, the Balkan area became an area of intense conflict. So guys, the Balkan area had become, when it has been freed from the rule of the or you can say the control of the Ottoman Empire, it had become an area of intense conflict. That's why, because each power like Russia, Germany, England, Australia, Hungary was keen on countering the hold of the other powers over the Balkans and extending its own control over the area. This led to a series of wars in the region, and finally the First World War had been held. So guys, here we found that what were the main conflict of the First World War. So guys, I have told you that during the period of imperialism simply means when the other country who have extended their power in other country, or you can say defeat other country in war, forming their colonies or forming their own government, it was the main cause of the First World War. So guys, that's why, because when the Balkans were under the control of the Ottoman Empire, when it had been freed from the rule of the Ottoman Empire, and the Balkan area became an area, when it has been freed, it has no power, or you can say army system or military system, and the other. That's why, because the Balkan area became an area of intense conflict. That's why, because each power like Russia, Germany, England, Australia, Hungary was keen on countering the hold of other powers over the Balkans and extending its own control over the area. So guys, this was the main reason or main conflict through which the First World War has been held. So here we discuss come to the point. Our topic is, or we can our topic is the First World War, or you can say we have choose the topic the First World War. So guys, the First World War, or the war First World War, was a major war centered in Europe, and the Europe that began on 28 July and lasted until 11 November 1918. So guys, the First World War was held in Europe, or you can say the centered of the First World War was Europe, and it has been begun on 28 July 1914 and lasted until 11 November 1980. It involved all the world great powers which were assembled in two opposing alliances. The allies based on the triple entity of the United Kingdom, France and Russia, and the Central Power. So guys, here we found when the First World War has been exist. The previous discussion I have shown you that that's why, because, or you can say that when the Russia, Germany and England, Australia, Hungary was keen on countering the hold of other powers over the Balkans and extending its own control over the area of Balkan, or you can say they want to control of the area of the Balkan. So the two powers has been exist. One side was the allies, in which we found the countries, or you can say the triple entity, in which we found the country of United Kingdom, France, Russia and Central Powers, and on other side you will find originally centered around the triple alliance of the Germany, Australia, Hungary, and Italy. And another side you will find the countries like Germany, Australia, Hungary and Italy. These alliance both reorganized. Italy fought for the alliance and expanded as a more nations entered the war. Ultimately, more than 70 million military personnel, including 60 million Europeans, were mobilized into one of the largest war in history. So more than 90 million combatants were killed, largely because of fight of technological advance in the firepower without corresponding advance in the mobility. It was the sixth deadliest conflict in the World War history, subsequently paving the war for various political change such as revolutions in the national involvement. So guys, here we found that it was the big war of the history, and in which we found that there were the two opposite power, or you can say where you found that the struggle has been a struggle by the two main powers of the world, and in which we found one side was the triple alliance and another side were the another allies. And you can say that when they have struggled with each other, and finally long-term cause of the war, including the imperialistic foreign policies of the great powers of European, including the German Empire, the Austria-Hungary and Empire, the Ottoman Empire, the Russian Empire and the British Empire, France and Italy. So here we guys, the main thing, or you can say the main cause, was the imperialism system of the government. When the one country who have control the other or extend their powers the other country, this was the main cause of the First World War. That's why, because one country want to imperialize the another country, and when the two powers has been exist during that period, this was the main cause of the conflict of the First World War. So guys, another point was one thing was the Balkan, where we found during the proper discussion, or we can find the previous discussion, Balkan was the main area from where the intense conflict has been exist. But another point I want to explain in front of you, that is the assassination of the Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria, the heir to the throne of Austria-Hungary by a Yugoslavia nationalist, was the proximate bringer of the war. It resulted in a Habsburg ultimatum against the Kingdom of the Siberia. So Guys, here the another conflict was the assassination of the Archduke, who was the king of the Australia Hungary, and the suspicious, or you can say the doubt, and they think that it was killed it, or the it was the conspiracy of the Siberia who have Siberia, and who had killed it, the king Archduke. And this was the main conflict, the assassination of the Archduke, who was the king of the Austria Hungary. And they think that it was the conspiracy of the Siberia, and due to this cause the assassination of the Archduke had been. So guys, several alliances, several alliances formed over the previous decades were invoked. So within the weeks, the major powers were at war. Why? Their colonies. The conflict soon spread around the world. On 28 July, the conflict opened with the Austria-Hungarian invasion of Siberia. And here we found first main cause was the Balkans, and other cause, or you can say the another conflict, is the assassination of the Australia-Hungary king. That's name was Frediniz, or you can say you will find the above name of the king. So guys, this was the another topic. This was the third conflict was when the Hungary invasion of Siberia, followed by German invasion of the Belgium, Luxembourg, and France, and the Russia attacked against Germany after the German march on Paris was brought to halt. So guys, the Western Front settled into a static battle of the attrition, with a trench line that changed until 1917. In the east, the Russian army successfully fought against the Australia-Hungary, was forced back by the Germany. So here we guys found the third conflict, or the third reason is that when the Australia-Hungary attacked on Siberia, and other countries, they have also attacked the nearness area of the other side. So this was the main conflict of, you can say, the main reason of the First World War. So guys, in the east, the Russia army successfully fought against the Austria-Hungary forces, but was forced back. The German army additional fronts opened after the Ottoman Empire joined in the war in 1940. Italy, Bulgaria, and Romania. The Russian Empire collapsed in March. So here is the resources available for you, that in which time how many countries have been involved, and what was the exact rate, and of all the countries when they have also include this war. So guys, and the Russia left the war after the October Revolution later that. So guys, here you found that what were the exact meaning, or here is the resources available. I request you that you study this topic illustrately, and in the end we will find that what were the main effects of the war, and how what kind of the problem the countries have been faced at that time, and also what were the main the main cause were affected, what were the main area it was affected through the First World War. So overall, the 1918 flu pandemic killed at least 50 million people. The impact of the war could be seen in economy in the form of inflation, unemployment, etc. The Great Depression was of the meat distress effect of the war which destroyed the whole economy. So guys, now we have discussed illustrately First World War, the main in which we will find the main cause were the imperialism system. That's why, because when we will find the Balkan area were the main cause, or the main conflict of the intense of the First World War. That's why, because when Balkan had been freed from the rule of the Ottoman Empire, the other countries like the Russia, Germany, and England, and Austria-Hungary, they want also to extend their power on this area. So this was the main cause of the First World War. And another point was where we found that was the assassination of the king of the Australia Hungary, and this was the another conflict, or you can say a reason of the First World War, the assassination of the Ardeok Furness Kingdom. That's why, because they have suspicious, or they think that this was the conspiracy of the Siberia, and when Australia Hungary attack on Siberia, the other area also include this war, and this was the main reason and main conflict of the First World War. So guys, I have discussed illustratively with you the First World War and what were the main powers. You have found that triple alliance one side and the allies were another side, and finally the Germany, and or you can say Germany and Italy, etc. This they had defeated by the Triple Alliance by all means, and this was the end of the First World War. So guys, after the clear discussion of the topic of the First World War, I heartily request you that subscribe this channel and share this video. That's why, because your fellows also take benefit through these videos and lectures, and I heartily thankful to you.